Over 2 years ago, I came across this abandoned 1984 ATC 250R, and I felt sorry for it, so I decided to pick it up and give it a new life.
$8,000 one running. That's what they're going for.
This is the last year they did the air cooling, and then in 1985 they went to water cooled. Now parts are extremely expensive for these, so I'm going to be putting a Yamaha Blaster engine in it. And then I've also got my buddy John bringing his 600cc trike, so we have something to compare it to. For starters, I need to make sure this engine actually fits in here. We're going to start taking this bad boy apart, and the chain and sprocket is actually on the wrong side, so we're going to have to flip the swing arm around, build new mounts. Dang, this is the first time I see a linkage like this. It's a half moon and it's connected to the very end of the axle. Pretty neat, man. Yeah, I'm not sure if this shock is reusable or not. Dang, the fluid looks clean. There it is, guys. And it should be as simple as just flipping this around. Keyword should. Look at that carnage. And by the way, the reason why I'm in the backyard is because I don't want to get the shop dirty. Kind of fits. Sprockets line up, man. It's like it was meant to be. I mean, putting a Yamaha engine in a Honda. Dude, this bad boy is ready to rip.
Sure.
Hey, we can't have that around here. Which side is which? So I got the new tire already mounted. Dude, and just like that, it's literally a brand new 2023 quad. Whack that sucker in. Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, and we got ourselves a brand new 2023 quad. Alright, so I'm going to completely cut out this bar right here and replace it. It completely rotted away. And then we're going to start building our mounts for the engine. We don't need rear brakes. The thing is still seized. So I'm just gonna ditch the factory style suspension and run a modern shock. It's gonna limit our travel a little bit, but you know, I gotta get this thing done. Alright, so I got my frame supports redone. I got my shock mounted. So what I've done here is I've basically sat the thing where I want it to sit. So now I'm gonna build a bottom mount for that shock right there. So I wanted to flex on all the haters with this Hayabusa master cylinder. Unfortunately, it was shot and it didn't work. Now this axle was seized in place, so I unseized it. I just hit it with the hammer a couple times. Moment of truth, let's see if the suspension is strong enough to hold the quad up. Ooh, that's a little bit on the stiff side. Well, all we have to do is just mount the motor and then that's it. This thing should be basically a ripper. This thing should just be a testament to all of you out there who got very little to work with. I mean, as you can see, I'm doing this outside in my backyard with the $100 welder. So yeah, using some classic cardboard aided design here to get some tabs going. So I decided to redo the pivot point of the shock to make the suspension a little bit softer. Man, it's like it was meant to be. Well, guess who came by to visit? Stupid Fast John. So we brought back our ATC 250R from the dead. We're gonna test this thing out. You know what's even better than one trike? Well, we got two trikes here. My buddy John drove 11 hours and brought his 600cc swapped trike. So today we're gonna see what these things are all about, if they're the death traps that people say they are. At one point in time, these were outlawed by the government because they were too dangerous. But with the trike, you never know which direction to go. Go up, down, sideways, left, right.
All right, so basically what I did was took a 1984, 1985 Honda 200X chassis, which bone stock, and then we added a 1996 Honda CBR $600 motor. It is a carbureted. We did an open filter system, and I kind of just left the exhaust open for this. At some point I'll do an exhaust on it, but I kind of just want to get out there and go ripping with facility. So threw this thing together, and we really want to see what it'll do.
Wow, dude, this is insane. Insanity. You're lucky it's not taken out the case yet.
I don't feel lucky.
Could we weld this thing solid?
Maybe.
See, that's why it's popping off. I'm all wet now.
Yeah, you are.
No, dude, I've got to say, this is a unit.
It is. It just needs a little.
It's got some serious potential.
Yes, potential. I like the way you frame that.
Like, yeah, it bottoms out. Really like how it has that 4-stroke torque. At any throttle position, it's got torque, man. Whereas with the 2-stroke, you gotta sit and wait for it.
Yeah.
Kinda. So yeah, man, this thing, it's got some potential.
Appreciate that.
You know, going in a straight line, it's no different than the quad.
Yep. Yeah, it's turns that kind of are like, oh man, it's a little sketch.
We're gonna go home and fix the chain issue. Unremovable sprocket in 3, 2, 1.
Shout out to HTP welders.
Yep, HTP.
The next day.
Dang, that thing rips. Dude, he ain't scared of that thing at all. What do you think, bro?
That's insane. It's crazy.
Dude, you let that thing eat like crazy.
I'm the first person to open it up.
Yeah, I didn't even get it open like that yet. Oh my God.
So we welded this muffler on to help with the tune, and then we switched to O-ring chain, and that helps, man. I still say the tune isn't quite there because it doesn't really want to hit the rev limiter.
Yeah. Dude.
No, dude, hands down, this is way more fun than your quad.
Oh, I bet it is. Being
it's just
lighter.
So light and nimble.
It sounds incredible, actually.
And yeah, it'll power really in third.
Check out Facility's badass blaster swap 250R.
Look at that rain. Look how hard it's raining. This guy is crazy. Oh yeah, dude, he's getting it, man. He's getting it.
Dude, this thing eats, bro. That drag pipe makes it eat, bro.
Yeah.
She screams.
Dude, I gotta do alcohol now. It's not enough power for me.
Bro, it's already scary.
Yeah?
Did you see that? It just come right up.
Yeah.
I barely touched the throttle.
Yeah, dude, I'm surprised it's hooking in this wet, on this wet pavement.
I know. I was actually really impressed.
Yeah, that's crazy. We should probably swap tires. All right, guys, it's pouring down rain, but we don't care. Got to get this video out for you guys, so we're going to go ahead and do some street racing. 1, 2, 3.
I think I'm sucking in a lot of water.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it bogged down for a second on me.
Dude, I almost flew into the ditch.
I tried, and it just won't bite for me.
I think you need to get more wheel speed.
You think?
Yeah. those shifts kind of sound like a BMW.
It's like scary fun, dude.
If I sink this thing, I'm leaving it in there. Going into this video, I thought these three-wheelers were going to be very sketchy, but I was surprised. They handle amazing, they're so much fun, and I think I have a new love for three-wheelers now. I mean, the obstacles they just went through, the mud, the speed, the agility, the lightness, just amazing machines. I definitely changed my mind, and I hope you guys did too. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. So I want to make this trike nice and restore it, but here's the deal, guys. 10,000 likes, and I'll do that. 20,000 likes, and I'll grow and mull it up to here and take this thing to McDonald's. Hey guys, with that being said, I have to catch you next episode. Stay tuned. Peace and God bless.